Are you interested in Grassperson's total maintenance program? You may have a few questions, so here are some important facts. At Grassperson, our total maintenance program has a few things that are included. Each program includes a 7-visit lawn care program for healthy, green grass. You can learn more details about that program on the videos page throughout our website. From there, we can customize the rest of the services in your total maintenance plan. We require at least 2 or more of the following services to be included in all total maintenance plans. If you need weekly mowing, edging, and blowing, our team can help keep your grass tidy. Another service you may add is periodic pruning of your shrubs and small trees throughout the year, as well as pulling weeds in your flower beds. Then, some of our total maintenance customers also add a tree and shrub care program that proactively treats for insects and other diseases on their landscaping plants. And finally, we should include irrigation maintenance throughout the year to make sure you're conserving water and giving grass and plants what they need to survive. Remember, a lawn care program plus 2 or more of those services. If you're interested in a custom quote, please review our minimum pricing as well as the areas where we provide this service. We believe you deserve not only the best yard on the block, but the best customer experience. So fill out the form or call us. We're excited to talk to you soon.